This tutorial is about using the terms and, or, and not when searching for articles in library databases. Academic OneFile is the database used in this tutorial, but this technique works in many article databases. Using and, or not between search terms is called a Boolean search. I'll use a keyword search for PTSD as an example. PTSD is a huge topic, and a keyword search for just that finds thousands of articles. If I add and natural disasters to the search, I've made the search much more specific. Now Academic OneFile is searching for articles that have both PTSD and natural disasters somewhere in the article. Because the search is more specific than just PTSD alone, fewer articles are found. Notice that I've put the term natural disasters in quotation marks. That tells the database to keep those two words together in exactly that order. Other examples of searches that could use the word and between search terms are driving and cell phones, and music therapy and children. Using the term not excludes articles from the results. For example, if I search for PTSD not combat, articles about PTSD that use the term combat will not be in the results list. Articles about PTSD that use the terms veterans or military will still be found because those terms were not specifically excluded. Examples of searches that could use the word not between search terms are social media, not Facebook, and immigration, not illegal. While using not between your search terms in an article database search reduces the number of results found, using the term or increases the number of results found because it broadens the search. It's useful when you have a topic that might use more than one term to describe the same thing. For example, a search for PTSD or post-traumatic stress disorder. More examples of searches that could use the word or between keyword terms are global warming or climate change, and Affordable Care Act or Obamacare. And so to sum up, based on the original keyword search for PTSD, adding and natural disasters to the search significantly reduced the number of results found by making the search more specific. Adding not combat also reduced the number of results found by excluding a term from the results. And adding or post-traumatic stress disorder increased the number of results found by broadening the search. And now it's your turn to go to a library database and do keyword searches using and, or, and not between your keyword terms, and notice how it changes your results.